Dumpster rentals in Virginia. If you're looking for reliable dumpster rentals in Virginia, Crushers LLC is your trusted partner. We provide convenient, affordable dumpster rental solutions for a variety of needs, whether you're tackling a home renovation, managing a construction project, or cleaning out your property. Serving both residential and commercial clients, Crushers LLC offers a hassle-free approach to waste removal with dumpsters available in various sizes to fit your specific project requirements. Our service is designed to save you time and effort. With flexible rental periods and prompt drop-off and pickup, we make sure your project stays on schedule. You can count on us to handle everything from household junk and yard waste to heavier materials like concrete and construction debris. With a commitment to eco-friendly disposal practices, Crushers LLC ensures that waste is handled responsibly, with an emphasis on recycling and reducing landfill impact. Our knowledgeable team is here to answer your questions and guide you to the right dumpster for your project. Ready to make your cleanup easier? Call Crushers LLC today at 757-305-7504 to schedule your dumpster rental and experience a seamless, stress-free service that's focused on your satisfaction.